Good morning, ma'am. Name is Himanshu. Himanshu from Great College. Good morning, everyone. I am Himanshu here, presenting this wall. This is a visual story on the theme "Say No to Drug, Yes to Life." And this wall showcases the dark side of the drugs. Say no to drug, yes to life. This wall brings that message vividly to our life, created by our art students. And these 32 paintings made from recycled newspaper portray the harsh reality of drug abuse and broken dreams, silent suffering, and lost identities. The use of old newspaper added a deeper significance. I'm sorry, deeper significance and forgotten in our society. Like these painting shows our society forgot these issues faced by public and all.
It's great. First glance drops in colorful. It's all about newspapers and they painted. One of them. It's a visual storytelling project. You walk from here till that particular end. It's all about this project. It shows the consequences. Before, after, the dangers. We can start moving. I won't fall into the depth.